Welcome to the TED Online Tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to sign in or register on the TED website. Click on the Login option. If you already have an EU login account, enter your credentials, or click on Create an account to register. To create an account, enter your personal details, check the box, and click on Create an account. You will then receive an email via the email address you're registered. Follow the instructions within the email message. After the registration, or as an already signed-in user, you can define your preferences. You can update your country preferences, or your EU login information. You also have the option to manually delete your TED account. Please note that your account will be automatically deleted after 120 days of inactivity. Additionally, you may define the number of items per search result page, or define the number of items shown within each custom RSS. You can enable or disable the option to see the codes of various search field accepted values as you search. You can enable or disable the option to display the search criteria in the search results list. You can enable or disable the option to highlight your search results. You can also define the search scope for your searches. The available options are Current OJS Issue, Active Notices, and All Notices. You can select your preferred language to browse the TED website. Finally, you can use the available checkboxes to define the information to be displayed in the list of search results. In the personal address book, you can add up to 10 email accounts to select as a recipient's email for sending notices by email. When your navigation is over, you can select to sign out from your account. You have successfully signed out from the TED website, but you are still signed in to EU login. Follow the steps provided in the pop-up message to sign out from EU login as well. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our help page and check our other video tutorials.